makeup that you can wear when you have a very nice party or you want to rock that look and everything. So this is the makeup look I created getting inspired from Instagram. I mixed matched a lot of makeup to get this look. So hope you guys like it because it took a lot of time to create it, think about it, and then getting it over my face. So this is the look for today and I hope you like it because I am in love with this one. So do not forget to like, subscribe and comment down below anything you want to tell me, or you can direct message me on Instagram too. So please follow me on Instagram too. So this is the look for today. Without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, so first of all, I am going to be putting my hair back from my face because I don't want my makeup to get messy and everything. So I am taking these two bobby pins to do it. Then after that, I'm using this wet wipe from Kaya, and I love using them because they are really soft for your skin and they remove all the dirt, extra dirt from your face. And it's really important to clean your face before doing makeup because you don't want your makeup to get messy and everything. So as to get a good base and finishing, you should clean your face before. If you're using a cleanser, then you should probably CTM, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. But if you just want to complete it in little time, so you can use a wet wipe which completes all the steps. After that, I use this moisturizer over my face. It's from Clinique and I'm massaging it. Then I'm using this pore primer from PAC, and using primers are really important. You can use primer from any good company that you like. It depends on what you prefer for your own skin. I use this PAC, sometimes I use Smashbox and so on. So I love the primers these days. Every company is making good primers because these days primers are like the most important step for the makeup. So it is actually. So then I'm going to use this character palette from MAC and this brush. So I have dark circles, somewhat kind of dark circles. They're not really dark, but yeah, I do have them. So I don't want my base to get grey, तो उसके लिए मुझे करेक्ट करना पड़ रहा है ऑरेंज से अपना डार्क एरिया. तो मैक्सिमम लोगों के अंडर आइज या अपर लिप के पास या लिप्स के आसपास थोड़े डार्क एरियाज होते हैं, तो उसको कवर करने के लिए आपको ऑरेंज करेक्टर यूज़ करना है. लाइक अगर बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क नहीं है तो आप डार्कर कोई कलर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट टू यूज़ ऑरेंज, बट इफ़ यू हैव मोर डार्कर साइड ऑफ द पिगमेंटेशन देन यू हैव टू यूज़ ऑरेंज. After that, I'm gonna fix this with a powder, and the powder is from Huda Beauty. It's in the shade Banana Bread, and I fix my corrector because I don't want it to get mixed up with the makeup, with the base or the foundation I'm putting on. So you should do it too. Fixing your correction is really important. And then I'm gonna use this foundation from Makeup Forever HD, and it's in the shade 8B06, and I literally love Makeup Forever foundations. And then I'm using this Fenty Beauty's foundation in the shade 8C01, and I love the foundations that I'm using right now. So as you can see, I'm starting with my neck. Most of the people start with the face. Yes, I'm one of them, but I'm starting with my neck today because I was not really sure about the color that I was getting from mixing both. So as to check it, I started it from neck and it was okay with my skin tone. So then I proceeded to my face. If you are really sure about your base or about the mix up of your foundations and everything, so you do not have to do a patch test or anything. You can just directly apply it to your face. I was using these two mixed up for the first time, so I thought to check it on my neck first, and it was okay with my skin tone. So then I proceeded to my face. That's like a hack, you can call. I'm not putting a lot under my eyes because I have to conceal over there. So it's not like too necessary to put your base under the eyes. I will be concealing afterwards, so I left the space because you don't need your makeup to be stacked up and become patchy, because in makeup language less is more, dude. I mean, the less you use the products, the more good your makeup will look. So I don't want them to be stacked up, and right now I'm looking like a ghost, but never mind, I'll look good afterwards, I guess. So then I'm gonna conceal under my eyes in a lifted way. As I told you in my previous video, this is for making your face more structured, but if you like don't wanna make your face structured, it's already structured, so it's a different thing. You can use different type of conceal technique. There are a lot of concealing techniques, so this is the one of the lifted one. In my next video I'm gonna do the other one for sure. Then conceal all the highlighted areas of my face. So one tip here, and that is like, if you see very closely to your face, there are some areas which are already highlighted and there are some shadows on your face. So if we will work on them, we'll get a very nice structured face, like contour on the places where it's shadowy and highlight on the places where it's highlighted already. So if you're working with that, you'll get a good contour and conceal. Then I'm contouring my face, as you can see, and I'm using this from Krylon. So that is how it looks. Then I'm gonna blend it all together. My contour, as you can see, I just changed my beauty blender, and I did it because I didn't wanted my blender to get dark because of the contour. So I used another blender which is already used, which I'm already using for blending the contour. So it already has the dark colors. So then I'm gonna fix my base up with two Huda Beauty powders, and one is in the shade Cupcake and one is in the shade Banana Bread. So the highlighted areas I'm gonna use the Cupcake, and elsewhere I'm gonna mix them up, and that's how my base looks. Then I'm gonna detail everything, like I'm gonna powder contour my face again because my face is not really structured. So for getting it in a good shape, I need to contour a lot. So that's how it looks. And then I'm gonna use this blush palette from Tarte, and I love this blush palette. I mean, this is the only one that I use because I love it. All the shades go perfectly on me. So I am going to put it in a lifted way too because I need structured face. Then I'm gonna use this Carnival palette, and it's really good if you are using it for professional use. It offers you a variety of colors and a wide range of colors. Using the lighter orange shades for making my crease. तो crease बनाने के बाद मैं हल्का सा dark brown use करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे crease अपनी थोड़ी dark करनी है. I don't really have a very good crease, so I have to make a fake one. Then I'm using this palette from Jaclyn Hill, and I am going to take the brown shade from it, and I'm gonna make my crease in an almond shape. and then do same on the other eye. Then I'm using the same Carnival palette and a blue shadow from it, because I'm doing bluish glammy look today. So I'm gonna put the blue color inside the crease I made, because I don't want it to go over the crease, or else there will be no benefit of making crease. So you have to double coat your blue color or any vibrant color if you're using, so as to get a nice finish. Then I'm using this glitter from MAC, and I literally love glitters. I mean, in love, in a relationship with glitters. So then I'm using this glitter from MAC, and with a brush I'm applying it all over the eyelid, all over the blue shade if I say, because it's really important to put it over the blue shade, because if you just put it on your skin, it will not come this vibrant, it will just come normally. Then for the edges I'm using this copper glitter, as you can see. So it was all glittery look, so I didn't thought that I would be using shades and everything, so it was my idea to use copper glitter instead of copper shade or a black shade. Then I'm gonna use this kohl pencil and smudge it with a blue color, because I want it all blue. I love blue. So then I'm gonna highlight the parts of the eyes, like the brow bone and the tear duct. So I love highlighting. I mean, every single thing I love highlighting. Then this is how it looks. This is how my eyes look. Okay, just glitter. The glitter just went inside my eyes, like making weird faces. And wait a second, why am I singing songs in between them? I mean, I'm so happy about my look award. So then I'm gonna use this eyelashes, and for me eyelashes are a really big thing because I don't own one myself. So that's why I love eyelashes. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna do the second off camera, because it literally took me an hour to do it, because I'm so bad at putting eyelashes. And that's how it looks. That's how the look looks after the eyelash and the eye makeup is done. I mean, okay, praise me for the eye makeup, please. I don't know if you like it or not, but I mean, I am in love with this one, and I hope like you guys will like it too. So then I lined my lips off camera, because lining lips is not a very big deal, so you can do it yourself, and it's actually according to your lips. It's not like you can.
Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Do not forget to subscribe. I mean, like and subscribe and comment down below anything you want to ask me and whatever your opinions are, or give me some suggestions for my next video. So